Hey my Lana babes, it's your girl Tori Lana and I'm back today with another video. It's going to be my iOS 14 customization. It's a tutorial. It's going to be so simple and easy, but before I even get into anything, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Tori. I'm really blessed and lucky to have you here. Please subscribe. It's free and it's only one click, and you know we love the free things. But if you're a returning subscriber, hey Lana babe, and whether you subscribed or not yet, give this video a thumbs up. But without further ado, let's just get into the video. Okay, so this has been a highly requested video. I've seen a lot of videos and I just had to make my own because I wanted to learn how to do it too. But I searched up these videos and it was like, okay, it's simple and aesthetic, it's so easy, and I'm watching these videos and they're not making sense to me. And I see in the comments, oh thank you, you've helped me. Maybe I'm a little slow. I mean, I do really well in school, but maybe I'm a little slow. I'm just showing an easier way to explain it. I'm showing what I've wanted to watch, if you understand what I'm saying. This video should be no longer than 10-11 minutes. If it's going to be that, I'm going to show you two things. I'm going to show you how to get the widget, and then I'm going to show you how to put pictures over your apps. So my phone screen is going to be here. Okay, yes, this is me. I start screen recording. It's right here. This is my whole home screen, whatever. So this is my phone. If you know me, I'm a Barb. I love Nicki Minaj. She can do no wrong in my eyes. She's a queen, goddess, inspiration, all that. This video is not about Nicki Minaj, which it should be, but I said I was going to keep it short and not babble, so let's just get into it. So I literally only have one home screen. These are the apps that I use day to day that I really care about, and the other apps are just like here in my app library, which you can do that. You can hide the apps, but it's self-explanatory. Like you can just say you want to do this. Wait, hold on, we're gonna have to get into that later. Yeah, I'm gonna have to show you how to do that later because no apps are on my home screen. These are shortcuts, but I'm just gonna show you what they do. So I'm tapping on this one, Instagram, and it just goes right to my Instagram. And it is a shortcut. It's not just a picture over an app. It is a shortcut. So when you tap it, it goes to the shortcut app and then it opens your Instagram. So let me show you how I make that. It's really easy. Well, the way I'm going to explain it. In those videos, I really didn't understand. So let me take in a certain app out. Okay. Of subwaysurf, photomath, and superimpose. Superimpose is what I use to make my thumbnails, but it's not about that. So you see how these apps have the regular picture on there, and these have Nicki Minaj. So I'm going to show you how to do that, but first I said I would get on widgetsmith. So this is how you make the widget. So this is already a widget that I have, but I'm going to show you another one. So add a small widget. I already had to. So you can customize it. I hit tap to rename, and I can say like Tori's widget or something like that. And then I click the widget, and then you can customize it. You can have a lot of photos and times and dates. What I did was I just did like this, and then you know I love my pink, so I did the background is pink. So I did the words is pink. You can change the font. I changed it to typewriter. And I hit save. So then, since it's just an example, I'm going to add it onto this home screen. So you're going to take a long press on the home screen. Hit that plus button in the upper left hand corner. When it says search widgets, you go all the way to the bottom. It should be all the way to the bottom if you don't have any other apps, but for me it's all the way at the bottom. It says widgetsmith. The widget I did was small, so I'm going to say add widget, and it's right there. So that's how you really that widget looks nice right there, but I'm not going to keep this home screen, so I'm not keeping it there. But you can do a whole lot of colors and fonts, and you can even put your photo on a widget, but I really didn't get into that because I just thought they were ugly. I just like the apps, so I'm removing the widget because I don't want it. Okay, so the most important thing that I love is how I can put Nicki Minaj on each cover of the app, if that makes sense. So let me just show you how I do it. Okay, so I have this app right here. It says subwaysurf. So I'm going to go to shortcut. It's an Apple provided app, so it's already on it. Like just how like messages come on your phone and FaceTime come on your phone, it's already there. You're gonna go to the upper right hand corner and click the plus. I got an email. Add action, and the action you want to type in is open app. So you go to open app. It's the second one. The first one says open Apple TV, and the second one is open app. And I told you the app I did was Subway Surfers. So I'm going to type in Subway Surf until it pops in, and then I click the, not the next button, but the 3 dots under the next. So, and I say add to home screen, and you can name it anything you want, but I like to know which app is which, so I name it its name. So I'm gonna say Subway Surf, and then you're gonna click the icon. So I don't know, because y'all can't see what I'm pressing. So this right here, you're gonna click that like that. So I clicked it and 3 options came up. Take a photo, choose photo, or choose file. I'm gonna say choose photo. Sorry y'all, all my work in here, I be cheating. Cause like, no, I don't cheat, but all my work is just in here. So I'm just gonna take this photo of Nicki, and I'm gonna crop it to how you want. Boom. So it would say Subway Surf. It already gives you a preview of what it would look like. So Subway Surf, and then you click add it to home screen. Then I exit out of this. I don't close the app out entirely. I don't know, I just swipe up, I exit out of it, I go back to the home screen. So you see how there are 4 applications now. The 3 apps I put right there, and Subway Surf. So what I want to do is click on the Nicki Minaj one I just put on there, edit home screen. I'm going to drag it over to where Subway Surf was. Y'all, why did it do that? Okay, and then okay, so it's right where Subway Surf used to be. Then I'm going to not delete Subway Surf, but I'm going to move the app library so it's not visible. Only this is visible. And let me show you what happens when I tap the icon. So I tapped the icon and it said Subway Surf. So it's going to take you to this screen because it is a shortcut. It's not the app in itself. It's a shortcut on how to get to the app. The picture's just on there. So I'm going to try again. When you tap the shortcut, it automatically leads you to Subway Surf, which I think is really cool. Like, and I was going for a pink aesthetic look on my phone. That's why like the top photos are like pink, but she didn't have a lot of pink aesthetic photos. Like the background is pink, so I really couldn't do it. So I just left the background black, which I think it looks good. Like, I love Nicki. So let's just do it. I'm going to do it 2 more times to show you all, to make sure you understand. So I'm going to the shortcut app again, add photomath this time. So I'm going to add the plus button in the upper right hand corner, open app. That's the action you want to choose. And open, choose photomath. There we go. Click the 3 dots to the bottom of the next. Add to home screen. New shortcut 18. No, we don't want that. We want photomath. Tap the purple icon. Choose photo. And I'm just going to do this Nicki photo. I'm putting these back in the app library after I'm finished. I'm just doing this for you, so that's why I'm using the same pictures. Choose. Add it to home screen. So you see how it's right there? Then I do edit home screen. I'm going to drag it to where photomath is, so it can be right next to the Subway Surf. And I move the photomath right back to the app library. It looks like it doesn't even exist. All you have to do is search it up. Last example. Superimpose X. Go to shortcut, the plus button, add action. You type in open app. Oops, I spelled that wrong. Open app. Just right here. It's simple. Open, was it superimpose? Like I said, I use that to make my thumbnails. Tap the the 3 buttons, add to home screen. It's going to pop up as new shortcut number, whatever. No, we want the name of the app. So I'm going to do superimpose X. Choose a photo. Thank you, Nikki. Love you. And you click add to home screen, and it's right there. So then you're going to tap on the new icon you just put there, the one with Nikki on it. In my case, you can do whatever photo you want. It can be a photo of you, your favorite star. It can just be, I see some people on TikTok, they try to do this little puzzle thing where it's, I don't know how to explain it. I probably have a picture up here somewhere if I can find it. But it was kind of cool. But you can do anything with this. Edit home screen. I move it over to where superimpose X is. And I don't delete superimpose X. I take it out of the home screen. So I move to app library. Done. It's done. And the things at the bottom, like right here, but I just open, oops. It's the phone, my messages, and the internet. So the ones you put at the bottom, like right here, the ones you put at the bottom, you can't see the name, so I just have it memorized. So that's one downside, like you can't see the names. It's just pictures of Nikki, but I know. But yeah, all this is really cool. Like, you have the calendar, you know. And don't be like, oh, why is it taking me to shortcut? That's because it is a shortcut within itself, if you understand. So like, I'm clicking clock. It's going to pop up to the shortcut app, but then it's going to take you right to clock. And it's not slow either, and it's very efficient. But yeah, that was my quick tutorial. Okay, so that concludes this video. If you're still confused about it, please comment something down below and I will try to help you. But other than that, I really hope I helped. I was watching a lot of these high view videos and I just could not understand. I had to ask my friend, I'm like, how do you do this? And she screen recorded what she did and she sent it to me. I'm like, oh, okay, so I know how to explain it better to help other people. Like, I just wasn't getting it. Maybe it's just me. I was watching these videos and I just wasn't getting it. So I really hoped I helped you the way I would like to have been helped. If you have another tutorial or way of doing it, you can comment down below. Maybe I didn't help somebody this time. Like, you never know. We all explain stuff different and whatever. But yeah, that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end and you're still not subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button and become a Lana babe. To all my Lana babes, thank you so much for watching me. Oh my god, I can't believe I almost forgot. We hit 2,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Highly blessed. Not even lucky, I'm just blessed. Thank you so much. And we're only going up from here. Please subscribe if you have not. And if you're still watching this video and you have not, please give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.